For this next step, you're going to need your parts. You're going to need a piece of wax paper and some glue and a toothpick. And this is your glue and a small hammer that's in the spray booth. First thing that you want to do is you kind of want to organize your parts because all the sides are going to look very similar. So if you just put them on top of each other, the ones that fit are the ones that are going to be opposite of each other on the box. So for example, these two pieces would be these two pieces, okay, as far as the orientation. So it doesn't matter. You're going to see that there's going to be an inside and an outside. So the outside should be nice. The inside, you're going to see kind of smoky color around the edges, okay? And you're just going to start to put it together. And it's going to fit kind of tight. You kind of got to wiggle it back and forth. And my suggestion is just to get the parts in pieces. So just kind of wiggle it back and forth and fit it in there. So now I got my two opposite sides, and I'm not confusing my parts. And then I can work on this section here. And I want to place that, and then I'm going to fit the sides in, kind of fit it in a little bit, make sure that this side fits in a little bit. And you want to kind of just sort of work it together. All right, and then you got your last one. Now if you're finding it super hard to fit these pieces together, use the hammer, okay? But usually I just kind of wait until the end to use the hammer. Just kind of tap it in gently. So I'm tapping gently. Working my way around. Checking all my joints, making sure everything looks nice and tight. Once I accomplish that, then I'm going to come back with the Q-tip or the toothpick, and I'm just going to work it into the corners here. Okay, so that'll help hold things together. And you don't want to go crazy with the glue because you don't want to. You're going to see it, so it needs to look somewhat decent. All right, so you can kind of see and go crazy with it. And there should be enough at the bottom to kind of hold your bottom in place. But if you can, the most abuse you're gonna see, or this box is gonna experience, will be on the sides. So if we can get some good glue into those corners,